All right, welcome to this video. This is by far the easiest way to add an admin to your Facebook page. So as you know, the first thing you want to do to add an admin is to go to the page that you want to add an admin to. So you go to the page and then you click on this profile and then you switch to the page that you want to add a user to. Alright, so when you switch to the profile, you can just click on the profile icon here, or you can click on professional dashboard, anyone. But I'm going to click on this, which will take me to the home page. And now when you get to the home page, just click on manage here. When you click on manage, on this left hand side, you would see an option for page access. Now, you click on add new. Next. Now, this is the normal way to do this would be to type the name of the person you want to add and then start searching for their profile amongst a sea of many profiles, which makes it very hard. Another option that people do is to add the person they want to add as admin as a friend so that it shows up here. But I'm telling you, this is not efficient. So the way to do this is actually to go to the profile you want to add. If you do not have access to the profile, you can just reach out to the person you want to add and ask them to send their profile link. When they send the profile link, or you go to the profile, you copy the profile link, and then you come back here. And instead of putting in the name, you just paste in the profile link, and they show up very easily. You click on the profile, and then you decide the level of control you want to give to the person. For this person, I'm giving the full control, so I'm going to click full control, and then I give access. And then I put in the password. And done. The invitation has been sent. This honestly is by far the easiest method to add somebody. It saves the unnecessary back and forth. And this is coming from somebody who's done or used all the methods. And I can 100% recommend this. Now, I really hope you found this video helpful. If you've learned anything from this video, please kindly just give it a like, a share, and it will really be great if you can subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Till next time.